troubleshoot a shunt trip breaker issue, start by checking the voltage. Ensure that the voltage to the fire module and shunt trip coil is stable at 208 volts. Any fluctuations or drops in voltage could cause coil chatter or tripping. Next, try bypassing the fire module. Disconnect the fire module from the circuit and connect the coil directly to the 208 volt source. If the coil operates normally without chattering, the fire module may be faulty. Then check the fire module rating. Confirm that the fire module is rated for 208 volts on 5 amps operation. Using a module with an incorrect rating could cause a coil to overheat and trip. Inspect all the connections. Ensure that all connections are secure and properly insulated. Loose or faulty connections can lead to voltage drops or electrical noise, causing coil chatter. Check the coil resistance using a multimeter to measure the resistance of the coil. Compare the measurement to the manufacturer's specifications. A low resistance indicates a coil fault that may cause chatter or tripping. Inspect the coil for damage. Examine the coil for any physical damage, such as broken wires or loose windings. Such damage could cause electrical instability and coil malfunctions. Finally, check the power supply quality. Use a power quality analyzer or oscilloscope to verify that the power supply to the circuit is clean and free of harmonics or other anomalies. Poor power quality can interfere with coil operation. Possible causes and solutions include a faulty fire module, in which case you should replace the fire module with one rated for 208 volts and 5 amps. Another cause could be a coil fault. Replace the coil if the resistance measurement is out of specification or there is visible damage. You may also have voltage fluctuations, in which case you should install a voltage regulator to stabilize the voltage to the circuit. If you have electrical noise or harmonics, use a power conditioner or filter to eliminate noise or harmonics from the power supply. And finally, check the connections. Retighten all connections and ensure proper insulation.